to see what this triple treat box is all about. Okay. All right. Catch y'all on the next clip. Okay. Okay. And look at these lashes. Yeah. These are even, by the way. And my mom, she got me them. Okay. So, what I'm doing today, I'm making a salad. So, I hope you all enjoy my salad that I put together. Okay. Because it's all about self-care for me right now, so I hope you enjoyed my self-care. You know, like I said, we spend so much time on our beautiful faces, but sometimes we neglect our nails and look. Okay, you see my nail is chipped over here. Okay, this season for me is cozy and self-care. This whole season long, like this whole season long, is like cozy and self-care. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Like that's the time that I'm doing. I wanted to share with you because I love slippers. Okay, so these are some warm-up looks, and then look at this pink. And you see all of that. And when you put these slippers on, it feels like you're walking on a pillow, like you have two pillows attached to your feet. And then I chose these two right here, and I ended up getting these from Coziness. Now, the reason why I chose them is because they're like all fur, and it reminds me of a fuzzy pillow. Okay, so. You know, and a part of my self-care is mirror work too, okay? So I just get in my mirror and, you know, I accept my flaws, okay? And I start to make the necessary, you know, corrections. But inside of my mirror, you know, I just speak nothing but positivity. And I look at my attributes and, you know, I'm just taking the time to hone into myself. So I look into the mirror. That's my mirror work, okay? And so, yeah. I'm using a lot of coconut oils, okay, and I'm using a lot of moisturizers, okay, and so, yeah, so, like, I don't mind getting in, you know, close to the screen so you can see my skin, you know, so I try not to put too much products, especially, like, when it comes to makeup, you know, a lot of liquid makeup on my skin, you know, so. But I love Revlon brand, Milani brand, and then there's another brand that I really like, and that's Mally, okay? Mally. Her mascara, if you have like a decent amount of lashes, that mascara, oh my goodness, that's just how I'm feeling. So I hope you all are enjoying the vlogs. Okay, so go ahead and binge watch my videos, okay? Here on my channel, I like fashion, I like business, I like lifestyle. Everything set up, and so I can start to go live. But in my mirror, a part of my mirror is honing into myself. Okay? I know. This time of season, I really love to have a lot of sweets. Okay, sweet treats. I do. Like I do. Like right now, I want a donut. I want glazed donut right now. I do. I went to the grocery store. I did some grocery shopping, and I tried to find some more biscuits. And I cannot Kroger, the Kroger brand biscuits. I didn't have anything. They were out. I had ended up getting some more brown sugar and some powdered sugar and some white sugar. Okay, because I had put them inside of my packet, so we need to put them down. And yeah, I think I'm gonna make a moisturizer and I might add that in another vlog. Yeah, so yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say my goodbyes right now. Hey, I hope wherever you are in the world, I will catch up with you. And you're doing a good day. Love to you. Okay, so come back and give me a
Yeah.